Welcome back on the VST channel and Happy New Year to all of you watching this video still in January. Today I'm gonna show you a very interesting app I discovered through the VST chat. I think it was Ujval mentioning it. And before me showing you how to set it up, what the app is all about, I want to show you what I can do with this app. All right, so first let me just go to the things I like, and then I'm gonna share the process with you and tell a bit more about this app. And yeah, just to try to lift the curtain a bit, it's an app meant to enable your productivity. And I know this sounds cliche, so you know what, just straightforward to the app itself. So guys, imagine here you have tons of your notifications. Something will pop up and it's going to be the Ruppu thing, which means not in Sicilian language. That's important, memorize this. I'm going to go back to this. Now, first things first, what the hell is Ruppu? Well, that's the app I want to showcase today for you. And second, why is that app important? Why am I making a video about this? Well, please allow me to show you. The moment I click here, I'm going to see 4 items. So, first I have the Zelda BOTW, right? You have the chance to see here, I have completed one of 4, which is important, memorize this. Then I have apparently a link, then I have here some icons, and then I have a picture, right? Now, first things first, the Ruppu app is very powerful. It allows you to pin whatever you want really right here on your phone in the notification screen. Why do I like it, guys? It's yeah, let me show you. The moment I unclick here Zelda, boom, it's going to collapse with all the items that I've set up for myself. So I have a mission in Zelda. I still play this game 3 years, probably more than 3 years. I have to find the Lost Woods. I have to get the Master Sword, which I actually did yesterday. And yeah, I need also to obtain 13 hearts to be able to do so. Or there are some glitches to do it also without the hearts, but forget about this. What is important here is that I have apparently an activity or an action, and I've created a checklist. So yes, you can use this app to work on your daily routine and just use this as a task app to memorize or put down your daily activities. And not only can you do this, guys, let me show you. You can also select one and let's say remove it. I have, of course, the option to add new activities. So check game. All right, let me put it there. And the moment I press send here, a new task will appear. So I can fine tune my to-do list or activity list just like this. And if I'm done with all of it, which I am, I can press check all, and then boom, all is checked. And also, guys, I have the option to magically remove it. All right, memorize this. It's going to be important. I'm going to show you the app itself. Second thing I see here, I have a link, right? So I want to memorize something that's very important. Usually I use my self messages on Telegram. You put it somewhere on Viber, you put it somewhere on the cloud. Why not put it, stick it, pin it here in your notifications? So the moment I need to visit it, I can press browse and boom, here it's gonna be. Why not really have it on your main screen? But there is more. And I really know I sound like a promoter in the VS Teleshop, but that's not a paid promotion, guys. I really think this app is doing a great work and the concept really is very nice. So the next thing here is you can see I have access to my calendar, which I can click in. Obviously, I'm gonna go inside my calendar, and also apparently I can click the camera icon. So what do you think will happen when I press the camera icon? Yep, you are absolutely right. Hi there, this is going to be exactly what it looks like. Like you can just activate any of your applications from within your notifications. And last but not least, I can also memorize pictures. So let's say this picture is important for me. I can open it with just the click of a button here, open, and it's gonna be there. I can also go directly inside the gallery. So you can imagine how powerful this is, like allowing you to pin stuff around. And now, guys, without any further ado, I wanna show you really what this app is all about. And like I told you guys, Ruppu seems to be a Sicilian term that means knot, but also signifies intricate and tangled. There is this expression, so don't laugh, fare un nodo al fazzoletto, which means hopefully in Italian, remembering to do something, right? And more common in Sicily to say spirugas tu Ruppu, which means solving this problem, untangling the knot. And this is why I do believe this application is very, very powerful. And I'm gonna show you the main interface and how I did all the things that you've seen before. So, you remember that I have just removed my Zelda BOTW sticker or notification. I want to get it back, as simple as that. I can click here, and the moment I click the pin button, guys, it's going to be pinned back. All right, so this is really how it works. The same with the link, right? I can unpin it and pin it, and the same, guys, with everything that you've seen on the screen. And now allow me to show you how it works. So I'm going to click on the plus button, and these are all the options that you can use to create things for yourself, about things you want to remember, about things you want to do, things you want to check, links you want to check, photos, media, apps, everything. So new note, new list, new location, new QR, new app list, new link, new contact, new image. So let me now add a new list. So I'm gonna add here to do, all right, to-do list. And then of course I will add some item. In this case, check one, and you can get as many items as you want. The moment you save it, it's going to appear here, right? And it's going to be automatically pinned, which means that right now, guys, if I open it, it's my to-do list, and I can simply just mark it, check activity 1 or check activity 2, or I can also add new activities from here. And this is absolutely dope. You click here, guys, you can add reminders, you can label it, you can delete it, you can request information to see when you have created it. So it's just really so powerful the way it looks. All right, guys, this is going to be my new app list. Remember the thing that I show you with the calendar. Let me get my weather application. Let me try to put also Facebook. The only one thing I don't like is that if you have a lot of applications like I do, then you have to scroll down like crazy and there is no search. But the moment you're ready, guys, this app list will just appear. It will appear in your main screen here, and it's going to be directly pinned, which means I want to get like quick access to these applications. I can immediately hit it directly from my notifications and they will start all the time, no problems at all. And of course, you can remove this pin if you don't want it at all. And the other thing I wanted to share is how you can put a new image here. Before this, you need to set up a folder, right? So let's say in this case, I'm going to use my download folder, and let's put this one Droid, all right? So first you have to allow access, and then the moment you do so, guys, I can try to use whatever folder I want, whatever picture I want, and it's going to get pinned not only inside the Ruppu application, but here also in my notifications. So it's really very, very powerful, guys, and you can pin, unpin, whatever you want. This is really how it's going to look like. The best thing is, see here, now I have some notifications. I'm going to clear all, and Ruppu is still going to remain. There are other options allowing you even further customizations, and you can log also with your Google account to use that app. I'm using it as a guest, and you can purchase it. It costs something like 11 euros, so it's not so cheap, you can understand, but you have this really very simple yet very powerful productivity tools at the fingertips of your hand. Also themes, you can go light dark system. There is also a very nice tutorial, right? You can also synchronize this information on your Google Drive for backup. And I see that the apps developers are really updating this application quite often. So if you want to check it out, guys, it's Ruppu, right? I'm going to put a link down below in the comments. Go check it. If you like videos like this, don't forget to like the video, share with your friends, guys, and don't forget to come for more. And with that said, thank you so much for watching. VST over and bye.